I'm Colin Craig. We own Spotless Auto Detailing. We clean some cars. We do regular detailing, inside, outside detailing. We also offer ceramic coating to protect paint. People really enjoy that. And then we also offer pickup and delivery to make things a lot easier for people. We pick it up from their work or at their house and bring it back to them later. And then we also do paint correction, which is if your paint has pretty severe scratching, we do a lot of buffing and take care of it and make it look glossy again. So basically, me and Dylan, we worked for another company cleaning cars, and we really enjoyed it, but we didn't necessarily enjoy the environment we worked in, and we thought that we could make something pretty special ourselves, and I don't think either of us really thought it'd grow into what it has, but now we stay pretty busy and do a pretty good job.
My name is Dylan, and I'm one of the owners of Spotless. So a good reason that somebody should choose us is because we are very personable with all of our clientele. It's not just business oriented here. We like to kind of have fun too and let them know that we're humans as well. So in the last 8 months of being a detailing business, we have had nothing but positive reviews. Everybody's always very happy. We like to keep a very spotless reputation here.